chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a couple different things. I'm going to finally finish the last couple rooms in my house that have Christmas decorations still. I'm going to take all those down, and then I'm also going to deep clean a few areas. Definitely my big bathroom. It has stuff in it that had forgotten areas, things that I just overlooked every time I cleaned, and then I went ahead and deep cleaned my shower and my tub. It was time to do that, so I took care of that in this video. So I'm really hoping that if you guys need some motivation, this is definitely going to help you, get you motivated, get you going, and get all your areas cleaned, and possibly deep clean some areas that maybe you didn't think about, because I know that I overlooked a few of them, especially in my bathroom. So if you are all ready, I'm ready. We're going to go ahead and start in my bedroom today and get things organized, change sheets, take down Christmas trees, and get my bedroom back to normal.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no.
So it was definitely time to get this Christmas tree taken down. I can't remember the last time I turned it on. I love my Christmas trees. I love my Christmas decorations. But for whatever reason, here at the end of the year, at the end of 2021, I was just ready for it all to come down. I don't know if it was just the mood I was in, or if we have been so busy, and I really, after the holidays, couldn't enjoy it anymore. So I was ready for it to come down. I was ready for everything to be decluttered, packed away, feeling a little bit, less cluttered, less stuff everywhere. I was just needing that. So I'm glad to finally get this taken down and get my bedroom feeling fresh and just clean for a while. I kind of left things really bare. Normally I put stuff back out, I put a runner over my fireplace, but honestly, I just wanted to feel my room just with nothing around, if that makes sense. I just wanted it to be clean and clear of all the clutter. So I didn't really go crazy and redecorate anything, put stuff on my fireplace, stuff like that. I just left it blank and bare, and I will do that later on when I'm feeling more, motivated to decorate and put a little bit more back into my room.
I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down.
So after I got all the Christmas decorations out of my bedroom, I just went around and did my normal cleaning on my nightstands. I had some stuff hanging on my headboard there, like my heating pad and stuff like that. It kind of was getting too crowded right there, so I just took all of that off. I always use my heating pad for my back and some other things, so I wanted it close by. I just put it on my blanket rack over on my side of the bed. But then I needed to go and tackle all these blankets and pillows that were Christmas. I went ahead and got those out and packed those up to go downstairs. And I didn't make my bed yet because I was washing all of my sheets. I had quite a bit, like a big pile downstairs that I still needed to get done. So I just washed all my sheets at once, and I was just waiting for them to get done. So once that's done, I'll go ahead and make the bed. But for right now, I'm going to vacuum, and then I'll mop, and then after that, my bed sheets should be done. So I'll go ahead and make my bed.
It's so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure.
So whenever I pulled out my sheets, I had several, like I said earlier, I had several different sheets. So it was all different colors. I could have swore I had 4 of these gray pillowcases, and I knew I did. I saw them in there, but whenever I took out the sheets and I decided that I was going to put the gray set on my bed, I could not find the other 2. Then whenever I'm putting the pillowcases on the pillows, they were, I guess, wrapped up in the fitted sheet. So I went ahead, and originally I was going to put the blue pillowcases on 2 of them, but I went ahead and took the blue off and put the gray on. But I thought I was going crazy for a second there, but I'm glad that I found them. I am just throwing on this light comforter or this light blanket for now, because it is getting late. We're going to be going to bed in a little while, so I didn't want to make it up too big. I just wanted to have something easy but still feels like it's clean and fresh.
For sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm moving on to my little bathroom that is in my bedroom. I have a couple Christmas stuff in here that I'm going to take down, and then I'm just going to go ahead and clean the shelves, clean the sink, wipe down the cabinets, clean my mirror, clean my toilet, all the normal things, vacuum and mop. So it's going to be pretty easy and fast in here, but again, packing away with the Christmas stuff and putting a little bit of the everyday decorations up.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard.
I want to go ahead and introduce myself in case this is the first time that you are coming to my channel. It's the first video that you've seen. My name is Kelly. I have 2 children. I have a 13-year-old girl, 11-year-old boy. My girl does competition dance, and my boy plays baseball. My husband and I own our own company, so we work a lot of hours, but I still do this in my free time when I have free time because I really enjoy cleaning and decorating and pretty much anything interior design or anything like that. So this truly is my passion. We also have a golden doodle named Bruno, and he is always appearing in my videos. He follows me around a lot of the times. Sometimes he'll be sleeping, so I vacuum around him, things like that. He is truly our baby. So he goes all kinds of places with us. He goes to work with us. He is definitely my little partner in crime whenever I'm here doing all this. So I really hope that if you did like today's video, that you consider sticking around for a while and hitting that subscribe button. If you are new, don't forget to say hi in the comments. I love to talk with you guys. I respond to all my comments. It might not be right away, but I do get to you guys. You take the time to comment to me. I definitely want to take the time out and reply back to you. And if you've been a subscriber for a long time and you keep coming back and watching my videos, I just want to put a big thank you out to all of you. I really appreciate all the love and support that you have given me. You comment on my videos, you like my videos. I really, really appreciate all of that.
Stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, down, down.
Okay, so this is the next day. We decided to take our kids ice skating, so I went ahead and quit filming. I'm trying to get in more family time this year. That's one thing that I think that we all need, is just to like relax, have fun, laugh, enjoy our time with our kids, and that's what I really wanted more of this year. So They all wanted to go ice skating, so I said, yeah, all this stuff can wait. So I decided to go ahead and pick up where I left off the next morning. They all went to school and my husband went to work. I decided to stay home today, get a couple things done. I started out by taking everything out of my shower and just scrubbing the shower walls and the bathtub. It definitely needed it. My daughter and I use purple shampoo. We're both blondes, so we use purple shampoo a lot. And my daughter is very wild whenever she's using the shampoo, so the purple stuff gets everywhere. So I definitely wanted to scrub the walls and the tub and get all that taken care of. And then I'll go ahead and move to the sink.
We've said our goodbyes, but we won't go home just yet. You got your head down, just like when we first met. I can't believe it's ending. Why did we f*** it up? So stupid and upsetting. How can I give you up? We've said our goodbyes, but we won't go home just yet. Let's stay here in this moment, pretend that we're not broken, and kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. 'Cause when the moon is falling, our love will turn to nothing. So kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. Give me this one night, hold me one last time, and kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. Give me your love now, before it runs out, and kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. It wasn't easy, but somehow you fell for me.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and scrub the sink area. I'm going to get the tile really good. I'm going to get underneath the edge of the sink, on the inside of the sink. I'm going to get that really good and just make sure everything is clean and scrubbed down. I'm also going to go and clean my walls later on. I noticed that like our house collects a bunch of dust everywhere, and I noticed at the top part of our bathroom there was kind of some dust up on the walls, so I'm going to go ahead and deep clean those too, but that's going to be a little bit later on. Then you're going to see something that is very disgusting that I could not believe I let it get that bad, but that gets taken care of as well. But right now we're going to go ahead and just clean the mirror, head over to the shelves, take all the Christmas stuff down. I'm going to clean the shelves really good. There was some dust on top, so I'm going to get that taken care of, and then I'm going to go ahead and redecorate the shelves just a little bit. I'm going to not go crazy. I'm just adding a couple different things, and that's it. I'm trying to just keep it as minimal as possible. I had so much around for Christmas that I just want minimal right now.
I was your baby, and you were my clarity. I can't believe it's ending. Why did we f*** it up? So stupid and upsetting. How can I give you up? It won't be easy, but say you'll remember me. Let's stay here in this moment, pretend that we're not broken, and kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. 'Cause when the moon is falling, our love will turn to nothing. So kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. Give me this one night, hold me one last time, and kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. Give me your love now, before it runs out, and kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. As from now on, we're no longer together. You walk me home, but before you go, let's stay here in this moment, pretend that we're not broken, and kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. Forget the moon is falling.
Okay, so I brought my white Rae Dunn stuff out. I'm going to go ahead and clean it really good first. It's been sitting on a shelf, so it has dust on it. It has some stuff on the inside. I just wanted to get that taken care of before I put our toothbrushes in it. I wiped down the other stuff, and then my sink is good to go. And I'm going to head back over to the shelves and decorate a little bit more. I'm going to add just a couple more things to the shelves and then they'll be done. So I had some of these potpourri stuff that I bought a while back. It smells really good, so I decided that I was going to put that some of it in that little container and then kind of set the lid next to it. I'm probably not going to keep that there forever because honestly I really don't like the look of potpourri. I think it's kind of I don't know, I just don't care for it, but I just wanted something simple up there, and it smells really good in the bathroom, so I just threw that at the top. Now I'm going to head over to my walls and just start scrubbing them, getting all the dust and dirt and anything else that's on the wall cleaned up. I'm going to go around the whole bathroom and do that. And then after that, I'm going to look up and see my exhaust fan, and it is literally covered in dirt and just dust, and it is so gross, but looks so good after I get it all cleaned up. Okay, so now we're moving on to the most disgusting thing in my bathroom. I cannot believe I let it get this dirty. Like, I guess I just don't ever look up. I don't know why. I can't remember the last time I cleaned this, and it definitely shows. So I was trying to go really slow because I didn't want that stuff coming back in my face. And then later on that night, I had my husband look at it because it was positioned like off the ceiling. It was supposed to be directly up on the ceiling, so I didn't know what was wrong with it at the time, but it just needed to be positioned and put back up there. I just didn't want to mess with it because I didn't want to mess it up. But after I vacuum everything, I take just wet rag with some cleaner on it and just clean it really good and wipe off any of the like remaining dust or dirt that was on it. It came clean. It looks a lot better. I definitely will put that on my list in the future to make sure that it's clean and dust free and dirt free. But I am feeling so much better with my house, the way everything is feeling. Everything is clean and deep cleaned and less clutter. I am definitely feeling much better. I don't know what it was at the end of the year, but I don't know if it was all my clutter that was just kind of getting me down and getting me just into a blah mood. But I am definitely feeling a lot better, more energized, more motivated to get stuff done. So I really hope that this video helped you all get motivated, get up, get things done. If you've been struggling at all, know that you are not alone, because I have definitely been on the struggle bus lately. So if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload. I would love to have you all here. If you're new, go ahead and say hi in the comments, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.